I got Gold Grillz, slug up your whole clique. BUD and Cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle Gold.
That's what they call butter right there, man. 18K gold, man. It's just different. 8-piece bottom, perm cuts. You guys might not know or you may know. Bottoms give you that casual look. That you got a grill in, but it ain't super, it's not out front, but it's there though. These things is beautiful. 18K, you're looking at about $1,000 or something like this. Holler at your boy if you want to get you one of these. I know somebody out there is going to need the whole set in 18K, because 18K, like I said, is just different, y'all. Holler at your boy, inbox us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Snapchat, anywhere, or give us a call. The easiest way to get your order in if you want to get you one of these things right here. But this is beautiful. I just had my client came through today. He had a 22K one from me, 8-piece. Just polished it for him. You guys can now come by the shop, and everybody's doing it, to get polished for your new piece, man, or get your old piece polished. I meant to say, sorry. Get polished so you can keep your stuff looking brand spanking new. We do have that service now at the shop, so come see us. This is huge business for anywhere around the country. If you have your grills and you need to get it polished, most likely you don't know where to go. A lot of people are not doing polishing for grills, but we are. So spread the word. Everybody that got a grill, send them to us. Polishing generally runs between $30 to $40 per polish, especially if you want that Fred the Jeweler polish. That's where I clean in between the gum lines inside the grill. Not a quick polish. If you want a quick polish, we can do that for about 20 bucks. That's just running it over the polish machine, getting it nice and shiny. But if you want me to do the details in between, out, it's gonna run a little bit more money because it takes a little bit more of my time, the labor. But yeah, come see us, man. Thank you guys so much for the support. It has been incredible, and we really appreciate y'all. Hope you guys have a blessed week and stay tapped in. Peace out.
I got Gold Grillz, slug up your whole clique. BUD and Cash spitting that dope shit. Seattle Gold Grillz, tighter than roast clips. Send you a mo kit, I got Gold Grillz, slug up your whole